Good morning from Bangsue junction out here in Bangkok. So today I'm going to take a train towards Huahin, and it's literally 44 Thai baht, very cheap. I'm waiting for my train to arrive right now. It's 44 Thai baht from Bangsue junction. It starts at 9:40. So that one is the Bangsue station over there. The very giant building is the main train station out here in Bangkok, and literally you can get a train to all part of Thailand from this train station. Let's get on the train. Yeah guys, finally I'm here at Huahin, as you can see, and it took around 4 hours and 30 minutes train ride from Bangkok to Huahin, from Bangsue train station to Huahin train station. So currently I'm walking towards my hotel. So my hotel room is within walking distance from here. So see you at my hotel. Yeah guys, finally I'm in front of my hotel room out here. So this one is my hotel, Crystal Hotel. Yeah guys, this is my room at Huahin, so Crystal Hotel. Look at that, pretty decent. So it's also not so expensive. We have TV, fridge is there, but there's no water. Oh, water is here. Pretty nice. So yeah, that's it with my Huahin train ride from Bangkok to Huahin. So I'll update you all about the Huahin beach and other beautiful places to visit around Huahin in the next vlog. So thank you for watching and see you all later. Bye bye.